Hello guys, in this video we will be learning how to make quiz through Canva. You have to make a template using Canva once and use this template to make hundreds and thousands of videos. One disclaimer, you will need Canva Pro or Canva Teams for making bulk videos. But don't get disheartened. There are many vendors who offer Canva team membership at very low cost, but you have to select only the authentic vendors. Alternatively, you can purchase Canva Pro membership for only one day for Rs 69 and create huge number of videos and edit them later and post on your channel. So without wasting any time, let's start learning. We open our Canva and go to Create Design. We choose the appropriate type of video, long or shorts. Then we rename the file. I am renaming it as My Quiz. We go to Elements and then type background. And then choose videos. We choose a video background that is required. Here I choose a video which is 15 seconds duration and having a dark background. Then we go to Elements and click and search for shapes. We go to shapes and click the required shape. This will be used as the placeholder for the texts. Here I am using a dark background, but you can use any color of your choice. I am choosing more shape as the placeholder for the options and duplicating this so that all the placeholders are of the same size. Then I'll choose a round placeholder which will be used by me for the question numbers and the option numbers. I will create a border for it and use a different color for it. I again duplicate all the shapes. Then I will go to the frames for the picture. This is totally optional. If you don't want to include pictures in your quiz, then you can omit this. Then I will duplicate another placeholder for the options and color it as green. This will be used for the answers, which we will be seeing it later. Then I will be going to text, and since my background is dark or black, I will be using a white color for the text. Similarly, I will again go to text and rename it as 1. This is for the question number. Then again I will add the text for the options and the option numbers, that is A, B and C. I should mention here that I have kept only 3 options. You can keep 4 options or 5 options as you like. So you have to make more placeholders for those. Now I will click on the position tab and then click on layers. From the layers I will choose the text, the question number box, the round shape and the question placeholder shape and group them. I will do it for all other options. Now it's time to add the timer. I will go to elements and then search for countdown timer. You can choose your own time. If you like 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 15 seconds, you can give whatever. In this case I am giving 10 seconds timer. Then I will go to the crop video section and crop the video to fit in the main video. Now we will set the duration for appearance for the questions and the options. We will go to the duration tab and also right click and click on show timing. In my case I have already clicked on show timing, so it's showing me hide timing. Then on the screen you can see I will slide it according to the required duration. I am giving a gap of 0.5 seconds for every tab to appear. So here you can see that every tab will appear after 0.5 seconds. Then after 0.5 seconds, after appearance of option C, then it will be time for appearance of the timer button. So I am adjusting all the things like that. I am intentionally not giving any timing for the frame, because you can then edit or remove the pictures if you don't like. And last of all, we will be giving duration to the answers or the green button that we have created. We have to check the duration by running the play button every time and check whether it's perfect or not. See, the answer button will appear after disappearance of the timer button. See, we can see a preview of how the buttons will appear. We will then drag the timer button to the appropriate place where it should appear. After that, we will give some animations to the texts and the placeholders. We will go to the animate tab and then we will give the desired animation. Here we give rise animation to the numbers and pan animation to the questions. I am keeping everything subtle animation. You can use any animation of your choice. And for the answer button, I will give the pop animation and see, for the answer button I am giving the pop animation and keeping it only on enter. Now it's time to add audio to the template. We will again go to elements and click on champagne. Search for champagne cork pop. You can use any audio of your choice. You can preview the audio by clicking the play button, and I am dragging it to the required position. I will use the pop sound whenever the questions and the options appear. So I will drag the timeline to the position where the questions and the options appear and place the audio in that position so that everything is at a sync. Placing the audio at the appropriate timing is necessary because then things will look very weird. Then I again search for clock ticking and use this audio for our timer. We will place this audio just when the timer begins and crop it up to the position where the timer ends. Then I will search for multimedia and select a audio for the answer time. Again I am telling you can use any audio of your choice. Now that audio has been added, we will remove all the buttons and everything that we have created. We will only leave the background and the audio, and then go to share and download the video. Now the template for the bulk videos is created. I will name it as my quiz. Then I will upload the video by going to the I will go to undo and again bring back all the buttons that I have removed earlier. Then I will go to the upload section and upload the background with audio that I have just created. Now I will go to my main video and I will remove the audio, because the background that I have created now contains the audio, which will be used for all the videos that I create now on. And I will also delete the earlier background, because this background is no longer required, as the video or template that I have created already contains the background. Now I will go to the position tab and bring the background to the bottom so that other tabs are visible. Then we have to ungroup all the tabs that we have previously grouped. This is also an important step. Without this, the answers cannot be shown properly. See, I have ungrouped all the tabs that I have previously grouped, and then we have to rearrange all the placeholders accordingly. We will drag the tabs and arrange them so that all the similar tabs are clustered together. You can see from the video what I am doing. These steps may seem tedious or tough, but believe me, when the videos will be created, all these hardships will pay. See, I have grouped all the similar tabs together, or rather arranged the similar tabs together, and it's very important that the green tab is just above the options tab but below the text tabs, right, like this, which is shown in the video. This is important, or else the answers won't be shown properly. Then it's time for creating the data. Here we will go to ChatGPT and write the required prompt. I would like to create a set of 5 questions. I will give this prompt in the description and you can edit it as per your requirement. I have created only 5 questions just for the sake of making the videos, but you can create hundreds and 500s or 1000 questions in one go and create a very long quiz video and then edit it as per your requirement. Then it's time for adding pictures. If you don't like to give pictures, then you can skip this step. We will go to elements and we will search for the keywords that is in the question. For example, here the keyword is United States. We will search for United States. We will click on the picture of our choice and we will click on add to folder. We will create a new folder, like here I have named it my quiz, and we will click on add to new folder. You will see that the picture will be added to the folder. We will do this step for all the questions. If you want to add pictures to your videos, this step is a bit lengthy. Then it's time for connecting the data. We will go to apps and click on bulk create. Now this is the thing that cannot be obtained in the free version of Canva. Then we will go to add data manually and clear the data that was existing, and then copy the data from the ChatGPT and paste it on our data, and then we will go to add image and then click on the image sections and link the appropriate images with the question. We will click on done. Now it's time to connect the data. We'll click on the text and see one option will be there, connect data, and we will click on the appropriate data. And then we will click on continue and we will see that all the questions have appeared. Then when we click on create video, we'll see that the bulk videos are created. Now in this step we have to adjust the texts and mark the answers. You have to do just as per the video. Since all the texts are of different lengths, so we have to adjust the texts. And then we will drag the green tab just on the answer, just as the video. We will do it for the all the videos that has been created. Now these answers has to be set by us manually. There is no option of marking the answers automatically. Now it may seem tedious at first, but believe me, whenever the whole video is generated, you will see how beautiful the video gets. See, I have marked all the videos, all the answers, and then I will click on the preview and see if any fault is there. Then if I see that everything is okay, I will click on share and click on the download button. But do not click on the download pages as separate files. Click on the download and your video is ready.